Tunapomalizia kuna wazo kidogo ambalo Mheshimiwa Kimani Kuria hakuwa amelimalizia. Naomba nafasi hii Mheshimiwa uweze kulimalizia tunapotamatisha kwa muda tu mjadala huu mkuu.
Asante sana. Nilikuwa nasema kwamba there is a lot of misinformation wakati ambapo tunaweza kuelezea wananchi kuhusu this particular taxes, and I'll pick one that has been misreported, the VAT on insurance compensation. And that is, I carry this, I've been doing this for weeks now. So clause 30, what we're doing with that particular clause, if for example you have own a shop, in that shop you have goods that you had paid VAT on when you're buying, that is input VAT. And then the insured, there's a risk that you insure that shop of a fire, and the fire occurs and burns all your stock. Okay, and then the insurance compensates you for the stock that got burnt in that shop. But again, so you take that money and buy new stock. You get to pay VAT twice. So that means that you will have asked for input VAT, for the imbursement of input VAT twice. So what we are saying is that when you have been compensated for this, and that was a taxable product, then you do not claim VAT the second time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Kimani Kuria, the Chair of Finance and National Planning Committee of the National Assembly. The PS